Here's the iliving fan. This is the model ILG8F20. This is the process where I'm going to be doing the disassembly process and putting it back in its box, as you guys can see. Oh dear. What you guys can see right next to the fan. That's where I'm going to be putting it in. However, I do have some old grocery shopping bags that I'm going to use for protecting the bottom from getting scratched up. The way I'm going to do it is I'm also going to tape it up, tape them onto the grills, just for protection. And then on the table, because the table has glass, I'm going to use a very soft towel for the front of the fan when I'm gonna place it on the table and remove the stand. So this is about it. So let's go ahead and get started. It is unplugged, and you guys can take a look at the grounded fuse plug that it has, which is replaceable. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the cord around the back of the fan. The fan does have a bottom hook, which is very convenient for the cord, and it just goes on the handle as well. And then the plug-in, I'm just going to stick it through the handle, just to keep it from moving around. That's how you want to do it. Spike this. Okay, so at this point, the cord is wrapped up, as you guys can see in the picture. And there's the motor. The motor is right there. So now what I'm going to do now, since the cord is wrapped up, I'm going to go ahead and put the fan head upwards, such as I can put this plastic on there. I'm going to use this tape for convenience. And this is just going to go like that. It's going to be a little bit ridiculous to do, because this thing is falling off. I don't want it to fall off. This can really stay for the hell of time, then great. Take a piece, and stick it onto the fan grill like that, such as you can hold it all into place. Base enough, I think, back, I'm going to do the back as well, just for set being. And this is just to protect the fan from being scratched into the box, or from the box rather. And the craziest thing is, maybe I should have kept the plastic wrapping that came with the fan when this fan was even brand new last year. But in addition, I guess I'm just gonna do it wrong way. So you guys can see now what I'm basically doing. So yeah, you guys get the idea. You see with this other one over here. I go on the other side. And this is really perfect at the same time, because then this will really add protection. The top, I'm not gonna. The top of the fan, I'm not gonna worry about it, because the carrying handle is on top. And so what I'm going to do is the bottom of the fan is just going to be going into the box, while the handle is facing up in the box, such as I can easily pull it back out when it's time to again. But this part is just the process of repairing the fan right now, which I'm doing. And this bag doesn't want to work. So you know what? I'm just gonna rip it. I don't care. I don't care. I'm just gonna rip it. I don't care. Alright, there we go. Now what I'm gonna do is tape it up again. This is like painter's tape that I'm using, but in addition, it doesn't matter what tape you use. You can use duct tape, you can use pottery, whatever, scotch tape. But this tape is gonna hold enough. Then I secure the bag. Alright, to turn this fan around. This plug is coming out of the damn hanger, which I don't fucking want. Oh jeez, I just cussed. Oh dear. This is the hardest part ever. This plastic is really existential. I'm just gonna clean the fin all the way up like this. It doesn't matter. So now, oh jeez, I just ripped the damn tape in the middle. Damn it. I just did it again. Really? This is becoming a tape freak show. I'm ready. In addition, I'm protecting this fan from the bottom. See a piece still right there. There, I think that's good enough now. So now what I'm gonna do, this now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the fan off of the table for a minute. Ah, jeez. Alright. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay this on the table, so just it could be a nice soft surface to lay the fan, and then I'm gonna show you guys the process of removing the stand. This bag here is like hanging, so all I have to do is fucking, jeez, all I have to do is just fucking resecure all this back again, because now it's all come off. Which I don't want it to do that, and I don't know why it's doing it. Ugh. Oh, this is a freak show already, isn't it? You know what I have to do is, because I don't want this fan being all scratched and beaten up in the box. You know, I don't think the box is going to move around as much, but still. You don't know how it's all going to be. Alright, that's about it. Everything's held on together. It's now time that I'm just going to lay the fan down onto the table. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this box prepared. I'm going to put it right there. Oh, jeez. Being very productive right now. Alright, I'm going to open up the box, and I'm pretty sure this will be in frame as well. It is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is the stand has these little quick connect systems right here, or buttons rather. I should call them clips. But I'm just gonna push down and remove. That's simple. Do it on the other side. And bam, the stand comes apart very, very easily. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put the stand aside for right now. And the fan itself, I'm gonna just go ahead and start carrying it and putting it down into the box. This plug is not really something to go nowhere. And the stand and the fan is going right into the box itself. The stand is another story, but we need the stand. Only the freaking fan itself can fit, but not the damn freaking stand. So, this is outrageous. This is just gonna cause the box to be damaging it. So, you know what? This stand is just gonna be another. It's another story for this dang stand. I mean, really? So now I'm just gonna have to. What I'm just gonna do now instead is go ahead and leave the fan as it is, and just whatever freaking fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put the stand per the studio calls it. And now what I'm gonna do is just close up this box, and I'm probably just gonna tape it up. See, the box is already getting damaged here already. So what I'm gonna just do is just use this tape to hold it all down. I think that's just gonna be good enough. So now, as I mentioned, for wood, put the stand over there for right now. Now the fan is stored in its original box. It's leaning on it something. Okay. So there you guys have it. The fan is in its original box as it is. So, and that's about it for this one. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. And you know, pretty soon when it comes for the on season for it again, then I'll probably take it do a assembly video of how you can put it back together. So that'll be a good one. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and subscribe, share, and out.